Hi everyone, so as promised, here is my video for how to get your false lashes on. I've got a pair of lashes here. They're probably a little bit light for stage, so you might want some heavier ones, but you just still get the idea anyway. Now these I've worn before, and I actually find that if you wear your lashes more than once, they're easier to put on a second time because they're moulded to the shape of your eye. So don't throw them away, keep them. Pull the old glue off because it usually just comes off. Any clumpy mascara or bits of glitter, it'll all just pull off. And then use them again because you can reuse them. Now these ones here, as you can see, have got quite a small band on them here. This is what you call the band. So if you get ones that have got a thicker band there, they are a little bit harder to put on. So if you can get one with like an invisible or quite a flexible band here, you'll find that they are easier and they poke into your eye less. Some of the ones that have got quite a thick band on them, usually the fuller lashes, because they have to try and bind them on, the fuller lashes, I've got a thicker band, and that thick band, it's almost like a plastic. And then when as you close your eyes, it can poke into your skin there, and it can be quite painful. So if you can get a full lash with a lighter band, then you'll find they'll be a little bit more comfortable to wear. Now I have cut these, so they are to my sized eye. Now, if you're going to cut a lash, let me show you where it would be. So if you've got a lash like this that's a little bit longer, most of the time you will have to cut it a little bit. They're made very big. And if you have them too big, they can make your eye like hang down a little bit and make them feel a bit closed in. So you maybe need to cut a little bit off. Now, you always cut from the outside. Don't cut this bit because most lashes start small and go bigger. Now, if you cut this bit here, you're getting rid of the small bit, which means that you've got your eyelashes and you've got really, really long ones. So if you cut from the outside, you still get that tapered look. So these have already been cut and I've taken a little bit off of the side here. So I'm going to go and put some glue on. So usually get glue with them. Now, each to their own, you can use the glue that comes with them. Sometimes the glue that comes with them is fantastic. Other times it's not so good. I really like the Eyelaw glue. I think it's the best one. They do a one that's got latex in it and a non-latex version. This is the latex version because I prefer the latex. And I've just popped that across the band so you can see it. I've done it on, let me show you how I put it on, just so you can see it. I put it on this side, move it this way. Put it on one side here and then I do it on the other side there. And that means that it's coated all the way around the band. There's none on the eyelashes though, I've just kept it on the band. And now we just need to wait. And this is the hard part because sometimes it feels like you're waiting forever. But the glue does need time to get tacky. So I usually just give it a little bit of a wave while it gets a little bit tacky. And the glue will change the way that it is, and that's how you know that your eyelash is ready to put on. I'm just going to hold it in between my two fingers. You can get those applicators for putting eyelashes on with, and sometimes you get them included with eyelashes, but I can't get on with those at all. Same as with tweezers, I can't get on with tweezers. I'm much better with my own fingers, so I'm going to use my fingers to put them on with. And I'm just holding it in the middle because that's going to be the first place that I'm going to make contact with my eye. So this needs, can you see, it's starting to, you see what I mean about it? It starts to get like gaps in it. I'm trying to show you which is the best way. So it starts to, you can see that the glue is starting to dry because it starts to get gaps where it looks like it's drying and it's becoming clear. Happening here. Give it a little bit of a waft. You probably need to give it a waft for about 30 seconds to a minute. Just going to pop a little bit more on that inner edge because it's not quite got enough. And a little bit longer. Tells you it feels like it's forever. Right, I'm going to go for it now. So I'm holding on to the lashes that are in the very middle. And I am going to go for where my pupil is. I'm going to start with my eyes shut. And I'm just going to pop that and run it across my own lashes until I get to the base. Like that. Okay. So that's there. Then what I'm going to do is open the eye. So my eyelash looks like this. I'm going to start with the out corner. And I'm going to put that again above my eyelashes. So it's there. Okay, then the next bit, this bit sticking up here, I'm going to grab that again see this. And with my eye open this time, I'm just going to stick that. I'm trying to do this so that you can see and I can see my mirror. A bit after now. Move that in so that that's then touching your lashes. So I close my eye a bit there just so I could get it in the right place. For the in corner as well. Now if something doesn't go in the right place, what you can do is you can pull it and then you can start it again by popping a little bit more glue on. So let's have a look at that. It's fixed on the outside, the inside's just going to need a little bit longer. Now for me, that inside bit is going to fall off. So if I was to do a dance show now, it's going to fall off. So I need some more glue in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close my eye. I'm going to pop a little blob of glue just on my skin there. Now don't worry about the fact that it's really light, really big and it's white, because it disappears and it will sit over the top of your makeup. I'm just going to dip that end in it. And it's just, and now what I need to do now is I'm just going to hold that edge in. Until it is ready and it's stuck. Now if you've used anything like makeup remover or anything like that that's got oil in it, your eyelashes will really struggle to stick to that. So you might need to make sure that you don't use anything with any oil on it, because the glue does not like oil at all. Okay, so that's it.